We were lucky enough to have a sunny 50-degree day after a bunch of really cold days, so of course we had to go out and fish. This place has access to both the deep Quarry Lake and the DuPage River. We decided to throw in some night crawlers just to see if anything would bite. It's been a really slow winter so far. Honestly, I was just hoping for anything other than a yellow bullhead.
Should I try it? Oh, something's tugging at this one. Oh, it's still going. You think you should set it? Why do I feel like that's turtle activity? Oh no. Like something a turtle would do. Oh. Yeah? There you go.
Yes!
It is something. Oh! 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 Oh!
What is it? I've never
It
gotten
looks
one.
like a yellow.
No, it's something
Oh,
different.
it's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, it's something else. It's tiny.
Oh, yeah.
It's a
what
tiny
is it?
fish.
Oh man. Okay.
Yeah, what is it?
Picture of it.
What is this? Is it a tiny largemouth or something?
Does not look like it.
What is that?
Oh yeah, this is a big mouth.
All right, let's let it back in. Okay. Well, yeah, that's something new. I'll take it. I'll take it. Something small though. Yeah, that's exciting. Yeah. Maybe it's something like a shiner. You know, people are always getting shiners. I switched to a smaller one. There, I got it. Got it again. It's a bigger one. Yeah. What is this? What are you? Okay. That's two. Yeah, maybe it is common. Oh, a creek chub. Okay. Yes. They're so, yeah, but they're feisty little little baby. Okay, see? Look how shredded it got the worm. Shredded. I seem to be the queen of catching these little guys. Whoa, it's kind of a bigger one.